polynomial. First session, what is polynomial, degree of polynomial, standard form, all we discuss. Second session, we discuss on revision of polynomials as well as zero of the polynomial. We completed exercise 2.1 also. 2.1 now, 2.2 just we entered. Again, once I want recap, because always you have to remember that polynomials, degree is 0, constant polynomial, degree is 1, degree is 1, linear polynomial, degree 2 here, degree 2 quadratic, degree 3 cubic. Remember children, okay? Now onwards will not use monomial, binomial, trinomial, keep it in mind. Clear? Now last class topic is zero of a polynomial. Same slide I show you that x square minus 2x, you have to take let p of x. We substituted first 2. If you substitute 2, you got 0. As well as you substitute 0 also, you got 0. That's why when you are getting 0, therefore 2 is the 0 of the polynomial as well as 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. When you are getting answer 0, like 0 polynomial means not 0, because if you substitute 2 also, you will get 0. If you substitute 0 also, you'll get 0. If you substituted 2 also, you'll get 0. They're saying that 0 is a polynomial, need not be 0. 0, maybe 1, 2, 3. You can substitute 2 also, you'll get answer 0. You can substitute 3 also, you'll get answer 0. Right? 0 may be a 0 of the polynomial. Every linear polynomial has, so one zeros. Polynomial have more than 1 also. Exercise 2, we discussed this all. Yes, last class we started this. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just I'll explain you few things after I'll go to that. Look here. They given you p of y. P of y is equal y square minus y plus 1. First look here. This is the question. What you have to substitute first? P of 0, P of 1, as well as P of 2 also. Okay, now first P of 0 substitute. Where there is a y, 0, 0 square minus 0 plus 1. Is it clear? You got answer is 1. Okay, now children.
Yes,
now
sir.
come here. P of 1. So P of 1, when you are substitute here 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So 1 square is nothing but 1. So 1. So here minus 1 plus 1 cancel. You will get again 1 only here also. So if you substitute P of 2, 2 square is 4, 2 and 1. So 4 minus 2, 2. Here the remainder is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Don't so we have to substitute, we will get like this value. If you go to next slide, they given you here also. Question number same only. Can you do this sum? Start doing all of you. This sum. Start doing. Copy this question. Substitute 1 time 0, 1 time 1, 1 time 2. You have to get same answers. Start doing.
Sir, we did by 0 in the last class.
We did it last.
Yeah, sir.
This sums also. This sums also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now you done, no problem. Thank you. I'll go to next. This is also I explained. Yes. Same.
Yes,
1 time
sir.
0, 1 time 1, 1 time 2. Okay, now question number 3 I'll explain you. Now onwards. Okay. Look here, children. Shifali, can you read this? Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
P of x is equal to 3x plus 1 comma x is equal to minus 1 by 3.
Yes. So what is the question here, children? Verify whether the following verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. They are saying that, all of you listen carefully. So this is question. P of x is equal 3x plus 1. If you have ebook, open that, no problem. So P of x is equal to 3x plus 1. They are given that value. X is equal to minus 1 by 3 they given. They are saying that if you substitute this value in x place, so x is replaced by minus 1 by 3, you will get 0 or not. They are asking. Yes or no? Same here. If you substitute 4 by 5 replaced by x, like, you will get 0 or not. Same like that. If you substitute 1 minus 1, you will get zeros or not. Look here. First sum. So x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Yes or no? So what is the question now? 3x plus 1. So P bracket minus 1 by 3, how to substitute? There is a x, minus 1 by 3. Now 3 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 is there. Minus 1 is numerator, plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 again cancel. You got 0. Therefore, what you are to write? Minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is 0 of the polynomial. Is 0 of the polynomial. Is it clear, Karni? Who are front of camera, please don't move. Everything is recording, please.
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to 4 by 5 is the 0 of the polynomial. We have to verify that. So P of x is equal to 5x minus pi. So 4 by x value replaced by 4 by 5. If you substitute here, you can cancel that 5. So what is remaining here? Numerator 4 is there now. 4 minus 5. Are you getting 0?
No, sir.
Pi value, because we should not use 3.14. They could not given anywhere now. You should not take 22 by 7 also. Just pi value only here. So that's why 4 minus 5. You are not getting 0. Therefore, x is equal to 4 by 5 is not 0 of the given polynomial. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, clear.
I'll give you one sum. I don't want to give more sums. Can you do third sum here? Start doing third sum. 1 plus 1 one time, minus 1 one time.
Can I say the answers?
Sir, both of them are the zeros of the polynomial.
Yeah, sir, done. Both of them are zeros of the polynomial.
Okay.
All of them are zeros.
Both of them zeros.
Yes, sir.
Shifal, you got?
Yes, so both are the
Yes,
zeros
sir.
of the
Very good.
polynomial.
Very
So
good.
both of them are zeros of polynomial.
Very good. Fourth one also do it. Close this. We'll close this exercise. Fourth one also do it. P of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2.
It is 0, yes.
So previous answer, children. If you substitute plus 1, 1 square minus 1. 1 square is nothing but 1. 1 minus 1, 0. You did good job. So P of minus 1. So minus 1 square minus 1. Minus 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 only. So 1 minus 1, 0. Both are cancelled. So both are zeros. Therefore, 1 comma minus 1 are zeros of the polynomial. Both are zeros only. Is
Sir,
it clear?
fourth one done. Fourth one done.
Very good. What is the fourth one? You got both answer 0?
Yeah, sir, both
Yes, sir,
zeros.
0.
Okay, good. Look here, one more sum, children. I will explain here. They are giving that x value replaced by minus m by L. Minus m by L. Lx plus m is the question. So if you minus m by L, write L cancel. L cancel. Minus m plus m only there. Again minus m plus m also cancel. You will get 0.
0.
Clear? Therefore, minus m by L is
Sir.
the 0 of the polynomial. Just write like. Here also, children, if you substitute here, minus here minus 1 by root 3 square means
The root will get cancelled.
minus
and
1 square is
plus.
plus 1. So here square root cancelled. So answer will get 3 only. So that's why they wrote 1 by 3 here. Again 3.
3 cancel.
So 1 minus 1 0. Same like that you can continue. Means right here. Next question number 4, children. Find the zeros of the polynomial each of the following cases. They're asking you find the zero. Previously they given zeros already. They given you beside question they given you x value y value. You just replace. Just you have to check, verify that the given x value is the zeros or not. But here they are saying that find the zeros of the polynomial. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Very simple, children. Whatever they given, you have to equalize. P of x is equal to x plus 5 they given. P of x is equal to x plus 5 given. Just equalize to 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0. Plus 5 right this side. Minus 5. So therefore minus 5 is the 0 of the polynomial. Shainavi?
Yes, sir.
So children look here. All of you look here, children. X plus 5 is there. So x plus 5, you had first equalize to 0, plus 5 right that side, minus 5. So here x minus 5 is there. Shainavi, what is the answer for the second one, Shainavi? X minus 5. You don't see this. This is also like previous solution only. Keep it mind, children. Here plus 5 is there. Minus 5. Minus 5 is there. What will come?
That's fine.
Shifali?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll go to boys some once. Siddhartha. Let the Siddhartha Atluri. Boys, please respond. So what is the zero of the polynomial of this?
Sir, minus 5 by 2.
1 second. Good, very good. Boys, whatever they given, all of you listen. 2x plus 5.
10 minus 5.
No, is equal to 0. You have to take it first. Okay, na? So 2x is equal
2 into
2x is equal plus 5 at that side minus 5. So x is equal to what will come again this side? 2 is multiplication, right? That side division. So minus 5 by 2. All girls, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you write the answer in decimal, sir?
No. You leave like that fraction only. Don't convert decimals, anything in this chapter.
Okay, sir.
Answer also fraction only. You will get third exercise, you will get answers as a fractions. Leave like that. 27 by some 8 will come like that. Just leave it. Look here, children. So this already explained that. Minus 5 by 2. Here 3x minus 2 is given. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2, write this. Minus 2, take that. This is 2, minus 2. Okay. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So what will come, children? So x is equal to 2. So after that 3 will go this side. 2 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Same here, 3x only one, like one term. There is nothing like constant. So 3x is equal to 0. So x is equal to, how you got 0, children? 3 if you write RHS side.
0 by 3.
0 by 3. 0 by anything is 0. So like that we have to find zeros of linear polynomial. Whatever they given, plus 5 given, this is important, next sum, that's why. Plus 5 given, minus 5. Minus 5 given, plus 5, like this. So today I want to discuss with you remainder theorem. Remind theorem. Okay? Look here. Latisha, can you read this?
Let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, and let a be a real number. If p of x is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a.
Yes. Look here, children. So if any polynomial divided by x minus a, any polynomial is divided by x minus a, the remainder is p of a. P of a means previous I explained you. If x minus 5 is there, x minus 5, what is the zero of the polynomial? Plus 5 or minus 5?
Plus 5.
Plus 5.
That's why here minus a is there. That's why plus a plus p of a is the answer. I'll give you one more example. Look here, children. If I given simple definition, if your polynomial p of x is divided by the binomial x minus a, the remainder is obtained is p of a. P of a means, come to your example. So don't copy here anything, just listen. Here x minus 2 they given. They are saying that this p of x, x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 10 is divided by x minus 2. X minus 2 means p of minus 2 plus 2.
Plus 2.
Plus 2. So 2 cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 10. Just substitute. So here 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 into 4, 16. 7 2s, 14. 10. Right? So if you simplify that, 18 minus like 30, you will get answer is 12. This is called remainder. Remainder means simple. If x minus a, p of x divided by x minus a, answer is p of a. If here plus is there, what is the answer here?
Minus a.
Minus a.
Perfect.
Minus a.
Yeah.
Sir, I don't understand, sir, like this part theorem.
Hello, Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Aditya, who is asking? Aditya only?
Yes, sir, I only.
Very simple. P of x is one polynomial. Any polynomial divided by x minus, you will do long division method in grade 8 now factorization chapter.
Yes, sir.
You will get remainder 0, remainder 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is only here.
Oh.
You can do that long division also. You can do like this way method also. Okay? That's why I'll give you one sum in 3 different methods. Look here. Find the remainder when x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 10. Start doing, everybody. Tell me answer. Start doing, everybody.
The way you said, or other we have to do it divided.
Yeah, divided by x plus 1. Just find the remainder. Previous method. First copy the question.
2, sir.
What is the answer?
I'm getting 2, sir.
2. Okay, 1 second.
I got 12, sir.
Latisha, what is your answer?
I didn't finish it yet.
You have to substitute -1. Is it clear?
Sir, I got 1, sir.
1.
Sir, I got 2, sir. I got 2, sir.
Who got 2?
Me, sir.
Good. I will see. Wait.
So now I got 2, sir.
How you'll get 1 time 2, 1 time 1?
No, sir. First I got a different answer. That's why I miscalculated.
Okay. Divya, what is your answer?
2, sir.
2. Very good. Tarun, Atidhi, Asad,
Sir, I'm doing.
So I got 2.
Rehan,
Sir,
what
I
is your?
got
So Pradeep, what is your answer?
2, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I got 2.
Look. So, how many members got 2 answer?
So me, sir.
Me, sir.
Sami.
And I got 2.
Very good. Shifali, you got 2? Yeah. Look here. Children. I'm going to mute. Yes. So, P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 10. This is the given question. So, if you substitute -1, -1 cube, -1 cube is -1 because minus 3 times. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus, again minus only will get. So, here -1 square, you will get +1. So, here already -4 is there and 10 also there because plus into minus -4. So -1, -3, -4. So this all together -8. So 10 minus 2. So therefore, what is the remainder, children? Aditya?
Sir, yes, sir.
You got answer same?
Sir, still doing, sir.
Speed up, boys.
Yes, sir.
Supradeep, you got same answer? Saumita?
Sir, he texted, he got same.
Yes, thank you.
Sir, I
Children,
got, sir.
all of you stop writing. 2 minutes, stop writing. Look here. I'll give you one more sum. Please look here. Stop writing, please. This is one method we are doing. Yes or no? So this is like easy way. We know that one more. Long division. Same question or not? X cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 10. If you do long division also, we know that or not? What is the remainder? And what is the remainder here?
2.
What is the remainder?
2,
So
sir.
you can do that way also, you can do this way also. Aditya, clear?
Yes, sir.
Girls, boys, anyone have doubt, please ask me, because long division I'm not explaining you. Yes? So you do that method or this method, you'll get same answer. So one more easy method I'm applying you. Look here. You never do this. Look here, children. What is the coefficient of x cube?
X cube.
Come here, this slide. What is the coefficient of x cube?
1.
1.
Yes, that one you write here. That one is this. What is the coefficient of here? X square?
3.
-3.
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Minus 3 here. Next,
4.
4.
4. Next,
10.
10.
so what you are substituting? Minus 1 or not?
Yes, sir.
You will apply this method in 4th exercise, children. Just I'm explaining you roughly. Look here. The method is first you have to write all coefficients. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
This is clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So minus 1 also, you know that. Previous sum we substituted. Yes or no? P of minus 1. Because they given x plus 1, that's x plus 1. So plus 1 they given, that means x plus 1. That's why you have to substitute minus 1. Always you have to keep first place is 0. Yes or no? So add it. This is plus symbol is there, add it. 0 plus 1, 1. After that, look here. 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 right here. Divya,
Yes, sir.
have you got minus 1 here?
So you multiplied 1 into minus 1.
For this first row, you have to add it. If you add it 0 plus 1, you will get 1. After that, this both you have to multiply. If you both multiply 1 into minus 1, that you have to write here. Again, add it. Addition means minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. Is it clear, Divya?
Yes, sir.
Subhasri, is it clear? Aparajita and girls, 8th B girls respond.
Sir, I didn't understand the zero part.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now, girls, look here.
Sir,
Boys,
but sir, in the first row, we always have to start with 0, sir.
yes, always start with 0. Okay, now better than this doing this long method for reminder. This is the short form. This is called synthetic division. We'll, however, we'll use long division
Use
also.
this for checking, right, sir?
Yes.
We can use this for checking the answer.
Answer is second.
Sir, she's doing checking, sir. Checking.
Checking or no. This is also one of the another method. Total 3 methods. First one is substitution. Second one division. Third one synthetic division. Okay. Look here now. After that, multiply 4 into minus 1. So minus into minus plus 4 ones 4. The 4 you had right here. Again addition. Addition is this way. Is it clear? 4 plus 4, 8. Again multiply. 8 into minus 1. Minus 8. So again addition only always. But this is different symbol. So 10 minus 8, 2. So remainder is 2. Remainder is 2. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You don't need to apply, just you have to learn. You'll apply in the future because this is very easy method.
I know something.
Yes. Can you start doing this one?
Sir, by that method.
Yes, this one. Do everybody first method.
Sir, I'm getting minus 6, sir.
Yes, sir. Minus 6.
Answer minus 6 you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, minus 6, sir.
Very good.
Minus 6.
Yes, sir, minus 6.
Pavani, what is the answer, Pavani? Pavani, Shivina, Narula, Niharika, Laksh.
Sir, Niharika is telling she can't join.
Tell her now join. I remove that.
Okay, sir.
Dheeraj, Chris Matthew, what is the answer?
Minus 6, sir.
Badri, what is the answer? Sankarshan, Arbaz? Arbaz? Arbaz, please respond.
Sir, minus 6, sir.
Sir, I think it's minus 22.
No, minus 6 is the correct answer.
Sir, minus 6 I got.
Yeah.
So I'm getting 6.
You're getting?
6, not
Sir,
minus.
even I got plus 6.
It's minus 10.
Minus 6, Amma, because, yeah. If you substitute here, generally what will come? Plus 2 you have to substitute. Plus 2 you have to substitute. That means 2 cube. 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square. You have any doubt? Go to second method or third method. Do it, Arbaz. Arbaz?
Yes, sir.
Do third method. I think you got wrong answer now. Do third method.
So
Yes.
second method is long division, right? Second one.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now I will go by this method.
Plus 4. That
In the
means
exam, sir.
exams.
Yes, sir. In the exam, they will ask us what the question, which way we have to write.
Just find the, no, just find the reminder, your wish. 8.
So 40 marks, right?
Yes, here children, 2 square 4, 4 2s are again 8 here, plus 8, minus 8. So minus 10, plus 4, very simple. Plus 8, minus 8 cancel. So minus 10, 4, because this big number, answer is minus 6.
Yes, sir.
Arbaz?
So I'm done.
And all children, can you try this? A new method also?
Sir, the last one.
This method, last method, this one.
So I'm getting minus 6.
Very good. Can you please try this method?
We're getting minus 6 in that method also, sir.
Very good. No, I'm telling that learn method. That's why I given one. Good, Divya.
So should we do?
Please once try.
So show question 1, sir.
You did not copy the question.
No, sir. Yeah, once.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Children, exercise 2.3. Please start doing this one. However, I given you answer here. Let's do it. Start doing. Here plus 1 is there. They are saying that this is the P of X. You have to substitute all values one time first. Next time this you have to substitute like this. Start doing. P of plus 1. X plus 1 means P of minus 1. Keep it in mind. Tell me the answer.
Sir, first one is 0, sir.
Good.
Second, the second one.
Second one, they given you minus 1 by 2. You had to write plus 1 by 2.
No, I cannot tell the answer, sir. It's 27 by 8. Sir, you are mute, sir.
So your answer is 0 is correct. 27 by 8 also correct. Take here LCM of this, you will get LCM is 8.
Sir, by the new method, I have done it. I don't get after getting 1 0 minus 5 minus 16. I don't know what to do, sir.
Where?
Third is also 0, no, sir.
Sir, the new method.
New method, okay. Which question you choose that?
So last question which you gave, no, sir. X cubed minus 2x divided by x minus 2.
That one you not completed?
No, sir. Just the last thing I'm not getting after.
Okay, we'll discuss that. First come here. You got the first method, you got 6 na minus 6?
Yes, sir.
Enough. We'll do more sums next exercise also, don't worry. Divya? Aprajita? Hello? Girls, you are getting these answers? 0, 27 by 8?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Children, when you are here only x, for example, they given x. X means nothing is there here. So you have to take 0 only.